This is my honest review of the Weber Smoky Mountain charcoal 22-inch smoker. I have had this for 2 years now and love it. Love, love, love it. It has a thermometer on top that is actually very accurate for the temperature in the unit, which is unusual for a grill. I have accurately used it many, many times with a thermometer, internal thermometer, and it is accurate. It's got a nice cool grip here, cool grips on the sides, and you can very accurately control the temperature with the 3 bottom vents. I mean, you can dial those things into, I would say, approximately a very close 5 degrees. Here is where you open this up and you can stoke your fire inside. Very nice. Plenty of room in the inside. This is just your chimney. You always leave this wide open. Plenty of room inside for, I have cooked up to 6 pork roasts or 4 briskets, or I have cooked, gosh, 8 to 10 rib racks in there, or any combination of them. I highly recommend the Weber Smoky Mountain. And if you want pure charcoal flavor, not pellet flavor, real charcoal smoker flavor, this is what you need. Yes, those pellet smokers are handy and convenient, but you do not get near the bark and the charcoal flavor that you do when you have a Weber Smoky Mountain. Highly recommend.